Everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to download Google Drive folders. So let's say, for example, I want to download this Google Drive folder all at once so that I can download everything inside the folder. So here's what are we going to do. So kindly download the folder. Let's download this one. And then let us wait until it is fully downloaded. Now, here is the zip file that we download. I always remember that every time we download a Google Drive folder, we will have now a zip file because inside that zip file, we are going to see all the files inside that Google Drive folder. So what are we going to do now? So we need to extract that file. So in order to extract that, kindly right click, and then after we right click, let extract files. It's either we can extract files on a different folder or we can extract here. So I choose extract here. So let us wait. It was okay. So we're done extracting it. Let us see if we were able to download all the files inside the Google Drive folder. So here we go. So we have the three files inside that Google Drive folder. So that is how we can download a Google Drive folder and extract it later on.